Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I was at the dollar store and I saw this really cool magnet, which is also a bottle opener. And I thought, just due to the shape of it, that would be really cool to pour over. And then I would also have a really cool magnet. It did have a sticker on it, which I didn't care for. Los Angeles sticker. And I was able to just peel that right off, and I cleaned it with alcohol. So I do have a little bit of leftover paint here that I'm going to use. I'm going to add some more. It is primarily like yellows and blues. Just going to add a little bit of gold and a little bit of green and a little bit of this white. All the colors are mixed with Floetrol and water. So be sure to check down in the description for all of the materials, and I guarantee you there is a description there. It tells you the paints I'm using plus the ratios. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour right over this. I do have it sitting up on a little cup. I don't remember if I said that. You probably saw it earlier. But that way I can easily move this when I'm done. If it was sitting flat on the canvas, I've learned from experience it would be much harder to move. So this is really cool. It's kind of giving basically like a scalloped tree ring effect. The gold that I'm using is the Decoart Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. This stuff is awesome, but if you don't want cells, definitely don't use it because it is pretty guaranteed to give you cells, which I think is fun. All right, I am really excited about this magnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I think I do want to tilt just a little bit. I think I'll do it over here just because I can tell that there's a little bit too much paint kind of sitting on there. All right, and now move it off to the side. I'm very excited about this. Okay. Plus I'm gonna have a really cool magnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and tilt. Get my canvas covered. I like that I had a little pop of purple in there, which was in the bottom of the cup, it looks like. There we go. That is so cool. Love both the painting and the magnet. All right, I'm gonna let these sit here for a little while and then we'll come in and do our close-up. Okay, we're back. We had some super cool cells develop in here. I actually love them. I think they go perfectly with this picture. And I love the like scalloped design. So I think this could even work with like a regular bottle cap, or if you have a bigger bottle cap, like obviously not this screw on type, but like a beer bottle cap, can give you that really cool scalloped look. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Start with the magnet because it's just little. I like it. You could add words or anything else on here. Just leave it as is. Definitely way better than what I got at the dollar store. Okay, so starting in the lower right hand corner, you can see all these cells that are popping up here are caused because of that gold. But I like that they're kind of subtle. They're kind of unobtrusive. Okay, moving up here, upper right hand corner, we have definitely more of the gold. You can see that scalloped design all through there. This little pop of purple, which I love. There's the center. And some more of those really fun gold cells down here. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, do not forget to check the description for the materials, and I put links for as many things as I can, like links for my silicone mats, and yeah, I just put as many of the materials in there as I can to make it easy for you guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.